What's going on, guys? Welcome to OK Cooks.
On today's episode, we're on vacation.
That's right. And what do you do on vacations?
You drink.
So today, instead of cooking something up, we're gonna show you what we're drinking while we're on vacation.
Can't wait.
Let's get cooking! Or should it be, let's get quenched? Alex, what drinks are we making today?
I'm glad you asked. We're making our own White Claws.
Now, there's one thing that I like about a White Claw.
And what's that?
It's refreshing. It's crisp. And it's fruity.
Okay.
Give me a little bit of fruit juice. Give me something good. But I don't think they put real fruit juice in White Claws.
They might, but we're gonna make it better.
So the ingredients for this made from home White Claw is gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna make two flavors. We're gonna make a grapefruit flavor and we're gonna make a peach flavor. Because we're in the South, we're on vacation. I mean, we're gonna eat some peach because yeah, they like peach in the South.
We're not eating any peach, we're drinking it.
Because what we have here is we got some Simply Grapefruit and we got some Simply Peach. And you can tell we've been getting our peach claw on all day, son.
That's right.
All day. We're gonna continue to get our peach on with these peach claws.
Peach Claws.
So these episodes aren't gonna be that long. We're gonna go ahead and make 2 claws a day. We also have another cocktail coming up later this week. Something a little bit more rummy.
A little bit.
Because we're drinking more than claws on this vacation. So let's go ahead and get this set up. Let's
get our claw on.
Let's get this set up. Let's get clawed! All right, this is the main thing you're gonna be using to make all these cocktails. You're gonna use this for your White Claws, and you're gonna be using it for our episode that comes up later this week. It's equally as delicious. We'll link it here, because it's probably out, or here. I don't know where the thing is. All right, so you're gonna want this. The reason why you're gonna want this is because it's got a 5 ounces. You can measure 5 ounces. And the ingredients that go in the claw is exactly 5 ounces of ingredients. So I'm gonna be making the peach. Alex is gonna be making the grapefruit. We only have one of these, so
We're taking turns.
we're gonna take turns. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the peach ones first. Can you hold this?
Sure.
Okay, so if you remember from before, this is exactly 5 ounces, and you're gonna need 5 ounces of ingredients. So what we're using for the vodka is the Ketel One Peach and Orange Blossom Infused Vodka.
That sounds fancy.
It's nice, it's great, it's got flavor infused. I mean, flavor ain't hurting nobody.
Sure.
The more flavor, the better. Smell it. It smells peachy.
Yeah, that's flavor infused.
So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of vodka.
Yep.
2 ounces. Then what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna get 1.5 ounces of our Simply Peach juice. You always gotta make sure you shake your juice.
Sure.
All right, so we're gonna do 1.5 ounces. So if I've got 2 ounces and I do 1.5 ounces, that would be
3.5.
do it. Then we're gonna do
Shake the juice.
1.5 ounces Simply Orange juice.
Pulp free.
And take this to the 5 ounce line. There we go. You should put ice in the cups first.
Yes. Pour this over ice.
All right, I'm gonna put the ice in the cups.
It's an important first step.
You want me to ice your cups while I'm here?
Yeah, might as well. Did you wash your hands before this?
Yeah. Why? What if I didn't?
Well, you're touching all the ice.
All right, so this is the first one. This is gonna be the first for the peach. Pour that in.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Now that's summertime in a glass.
I'm so thirsty already. Did I miss a little?
Yep.
All right, Alex, that's the base for the peach claw. Now, why don't you go ahead and get the base set up for the grapefruit?
Claw?
Okay, claw. We gotta come up with a better name.
Yeah, that doesn't sound right. Same process, except we're using grapefruit juice this time. We're also gonna be using the Ketel One Grapefruit and Rose? Yeah, grapefruit and rose. Infused. All right.
That sounds high end.
It is high end. You know, we only do things high end here at the OK Cooks. All right, 2 ounces. Wow, that is a strong smell. You really get that grapefruit. All right.
Here, let me show
Oh,
you.
let me
some
shake it.
ounces.
Let me shake it. We gotta shake the juice.
You almost made a huge mistake.
Shake the juice. All right, 1.5 ounces of grapefruit juice. All right, and again, like the peach guy, 1.5 ounces of OJ. That's it. Round 2.
So we each need one.
There it is. We've got 2 beverages here.
Dude, these White Claws are shaping up. So we got some peach claws, we got some grapefruit claws. It's time to finish it off.
What are we finishing off with?
Easy. Some club soda. And what we got is the Winn-Dixie.
Is this Winn-Dixie? Check? Or is this
Yeah, where we get?
I don't know. Wow. Satisfying.
That felt good.
All right.
Top them off. Those are looking good.
They do look good.
I am thirsty. But you don't stop there. You gotta
Don't.
add a little bit of something else. You know what we're gonna add?
Something fresh.
Super fresh.
Lime and lemon. So we've got some lime and lemon wedges here. They're each gonna get a squeeze.
So the juice of one lime and juice of one lemon wedge.
Yeah. Another thing to do when you're squeezing a wedge into a glass, do it through your fingers. That way you can filter out all the seeds. Yep.
I don't want to do that.
Why? Otherwise you're getting seeds.
Did you wash your hands? You're straining lemons with your grubby mitts.
Yes, I'll wash my hands.
Didn't you already do that one?
I did lemon in that one.
Oh, I've been doing limes. You're doing all lemons.
Time to stir?
I'm gonna use a spoon. You use your spoon.
Okay.
And we'll stir these.
Let's stir them.
This probably isn't regulation bartending.
But we don't do things regulation around these parts.
Let's be real. If you're on vacation like us, you're not shaking things.
Who does that anyways?
I don't know. You stir it.
Yeah, sure.
You know what time it is?
Time to drink it.
Let's get quenched! All right.
Cheers.
So, wait a minute. Which one are you starting with?
Grapefruit.
I'm starting with the peach. Cheers. Dude, this is really good.
Yes. The grapefruit's really refreshing.
This tastes a lot better than a White Claw, too.
Mm.
You know what I'm getting?
Not the vodka?
Not the vodka. Be careful, y'all.
Yeah. This won't sneak up on you.
1, 2, probably not 3. 2
Yeah.
get you where you want to go. I'm just saying. I want to try the grapefruit.
Here. Honestly, I think I like the grapefruit better.
Dude, some of them had a grapefruit. Now, I mean, I know grapefruit is an acquired taste for most people.
Yeah, not everyone likes grapefruit.
But it's subtle because you do a little bit of orange juice. You only do 1.5 ounces of grapefruit juice.
Wow, I taste the vodka way more in this one.
Really?
That one is dangerous.
Oh. Well, I think we did it. Alex, would you say we took White Claws and we made them from scratch?
Yeah, 100%.
Did the grapefruit White Claw taste delicious?
It did.
Would you say the peach White Claw truly delivered? Peach flavor?
I would.
Nectary peach? All right. Well, check us out. We'll be dropping our other vacation cocktail later this week. Boink or boink. Or if we did that earlier, we can't put it there, so we'll put something else there. Probably a tasty food. This is the first actually beverage we've ever made.
That's true.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Try this at home. Tell us what you think. Do you think the OK White Claw is better than the regular White Claw?
I do.
I 100% do. You wanna know why?
Because we made it.
Got it right here. Cheers. Let's get quenched! Alex.
Yes.
Okay, here's a fun question. Do you know why a grapefruit is called a grapefruit? It has nothing to do with grapes.
I have no idea.
I don't know either. That's why I was asking you.
Fact check that. Can we get an answer in the comments, please?
Let's Google that, dude. All right. How do you drink this with this dang lime? Lemon. This is a lemon. Yeah, you're a lemon.
It's just
how
for
do you
decoration.
do this? Leave it. I want to do this.